to start planting in these three. Asparagus. And then red onion. So today I'm going to start. Today is February. I think I still have time. It's in February 17th or something like that. So this is red. I'm going to just put it over there like that. More. The yellow. Not a lot in this packet, but okay. And then asparagus. Okay. And then I'm gonna just water it. Water them in. And that's it. And I'm just gonna cover this back as my greenhouse. Like that. I'm gonna leave it right out here. It gets a little warm during the day here. So alright. Oh yeah, so it's actually, let me write this. Asparagus. And then yellow. Okay. And then red. And a marker. Okay, my marker has decided to stop working. Oh, I know what's the next one. So, yeah, here's my little greenhouse. Still a little bit more red. The Fairy Morris gives you a lot of seeds. So, there's a lot of seeds in here. This is my pomegranate. So, I think something was trying to eat it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's my onion planting for the season in my little makeshift greenhouse here. Trying to grow a pineapple. And I've overwintered those two pak choy back there and spring onions that from grocery store. I just stick them in there and just keep cutting as they grow. So that's a fun little way of continuing to have spring onions, just the ones you buy from the store. If you get it, just cut them off and stick them in the pot. and you will still continue, just keep clipping and see.